So I would like to first pasalamat sa inyo kay Irene mo, nag-show mo sympathy para ni Lola. I know she's smiling right now, seeing all of you here, especially katong nag-travel pa, gikan sa layo na mga lugar. So, as a woman, Lola is headstrong and grounded. Na siya just ang isa sa pinaka-kusgan na babae nga akong ilhan. And as a mother, I know Lola did great because she was able to raise 3 successful children. Si Papa, Atinik me, kaya anak ko may. As a wife, I know she loved and was loved because I was a first-hand witness to my grandparents' love. So, love language, dyan na nila na mag-chess. Makita mo niyo sa pictures kanina. So, every time na kapildihon na si Lola mo, nakaw dyan na siya. And every day dyan na sila mag-chess. And as a grandmother, she was our figure of discipline. She was gentle, but also taught us many things that my cousins and I still carry up until this day. So as you mentioned, Bongbong Naniha, one of the things that she would always integrate into our minds is approach everything with prayer. So naglisod, pray. Malipay, pray. Everything in between, pray. So 2 Timothy 4:7. I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. So indeed, Lola lived her life spiritually and virtuously. And so as she now rests, I hope na mapadayon siya sa inyong mga memories as a woman of faith. Thank you.